Hi everybody, today I will assemble a Bluetooth robot by Key Studio. Inside the box, there is an instruction manual and many tiny boxes with lots of interesting stuff. This one surely contains an Arduino. The kit contains 4 wheels, a battery case, 4 motors with wires and reducers already set, an Arduino Uno, a shield for connecting various devices, a shield for the motor connection, 3 line tracking sensors. There's no need to split them off. Never mind the slots between them. You can easily divide them, but you shouldn't. These range sensors, however, can be detached. The wires, screws and bolts, a frame, and a Bluetooth module. The links for all the parts are in the video description section. Attach the line tracking sensors to the external frame. The manual notes that you should use 2 14500 batteries. A 14500 battery looks exactly like a AA battery, but 14500 batteries are rechargeable. Also, the device power supply voltage should be 7 to 12 volts. If you connect 2 AA batteries, their total voltage will be only 3V. We need more here. You can use a 7.4V 400 mAh battery. Attach the battery with 2-sided tape to the same spot where the battery case should be attached. Insert the motor into this fixture with a special slotted hole for the motor and its reducer. Loosen up the sensors. This is how it should look.
И вот такая конструкция получается.
Attach the legs to the frame corners.
Теперь по углам прикрутим стойки.
Attach the upper part of the frame.
Крепим верхнюю часть рамы.
Insulate these screws before installing the Arduino here.
Подкручивать Arduino я заизолирую вот эти вот винты.
This kit is great for beginners, especially for Arduinologist ones. There is a finished sketch that you can edit, or use it as it is.
Даже есть скетч уже готовый, который можно изменять.
Connect the motor drive shield to the Arduino.
Теперь вставляем в Arduino драйвер двигателя.
Connect the motors to one of the 4 plugs in the A and B areas. The motors that will be installed on the right side should be connected to the A area, and the motors on the left side should be connected to the B area plugs. The power is connected to these 2 connectors. There are positive plus and negative minus marks there. The Arduino will be powered through this device too. Connect the sensor shield. We have a 3-layer sandwich.
И у нас получается трехслойный бутерброд.
It doesn't look like this is a car yet because there are no wheels. Attach them now. Look closely now. The motors are not connected to each other directly. They are connected only through the electrical circuit. If I rotate one motor slowly, nothing happens. However, if I increase speed, another one starts rotating too. The motor works as a generator. There are 3 empty holes on the top. Screw the range sensor using them. The sensor has 4 connectors. The first one is the ground, marked GND here. The second one is the positive, and the third one is the output. The wire should be connected like this: the black one to the ground, the red one to the positive, and the yellow one to the output. Connect the line tracking sensors the same way. There are only 3 connectors, so it's foolproof. This is how the robot should look. You can pull the range sensor wires through this hole to the back. This way the wires are safe and the robot looks nicer. There are the following marks on this board: G, ground, V, volt, and S. There is a link for a PDF file with sketches for programming this robot in the video description section. Now, I'll program the robot for avoiding obstacles using data from these sensors. Check how it works. There's also a Bluetooth module and a connector for it here. Use promo code ScienceVTEL to get 10% off. There is a sketch for this robot's Bluetooth control. The sketch is from Key Studio, and they have a special smartphone app for controlling the robot too. If you enjoyed watching the video, click like and subscribe to my channel. There are lots of other interesting crafts. See you! For some reason, I want to call this robot Curly. It's because of these wires. What would you name it? Please write in comments.